So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you an amazing puzzle solver by Python. So this is the puzzle solver. The link you can find in description, and just download the folder and just let me show you how it is. So once you go to the link, just download the code. So it's basically defining two kinds of AIs. First is breadth for search, and second is depth for search. So there are two kinds of AI, basically two kinds of search engines inside AI. So just download that in your device and let's move to next step. Okay, so here you can see that it is download. All the files are downloaded, so you can basically see basic running things in the readme file, and then you just let me share the code. So basically this is the code. You need sys for it, and then the whole code you can see. So basically only one thing for running the code. Just go to line 127 and you can see frontier. So there are two kinds of frontier. One is stack frontier and one is queue frontier. So stack frontier represents depth for search, and queue frontier represents breadth for search. So basically in depth for search, we are in a puzzle solver. Basically we go to the depth of a part. Basically when a condition comes that whether to go left or right, it just chooses that let's choose any one direction randomly and goes inside it and explores, and again condition comes, again choose one, explores, and if it's a dead end, then again move to backward one and then choose another side and explore that. So that's how depth for search works until it finds points B. So basically in puzzle we have to find a way to point B from point A. So that's what it is doing. And in breadth for search, it basically search from whenever condition comes to whether to turn left or right. It basically just goes one block left, then one block right, and just one by one it goes. So basically if you want to use breadth for search, you can keep in code stack frontier, and then if you want to use breadth for search, you can use queue frontier, and depth for search, stack frontier. So I'm gonna write it here also. Okay, so I've written it here. So basically you can understand by seeing, and whenever you want to use any different one, you can just go to the frontier and then change it from here, make it stack or queue. So I'll also do that in a while, but let me show the puzzle now. Let's head back to our folder. Okay, so the maze is that these txt files make sure you make .txt file for maze, and let me show you some examples of what are the maze. So basically this is the maze. So there are 2 points you can see, point A from where we start and point B is where we end. So this way you can make your own custom mazes, and these hashtags are the boundaries, the walls. So basically you have to find where from between these walls. So this is how these are puzzles. So let me show you all the music. This is a basic one, and then this is a little different. So yeah, these are the maze. Now let's run our code. So for running them, just open your terminal window and just check where you are. So for checking, let's do pwd. So it will tell us in which directory we are right now. So we inside file, let's go to our folders in desktop. So we have to get inside folder first. So here you can see our folder. So this is the folder. So let's open it. Let's get inside it. Now we are inside the folder. Now we can run it. So just to confirm, you can see these are our files. So we are inside that. So okay, so now let's go, let's run. Okay, so now I'm going to enter the command. So basically the command is basically Python. Now the code file name, so it's going to be maze.py, so it's maze.py as you can see. Let me show you. Here you can see it's maze.py. So we are writing the name maze.py. So now the puzzle we want to solve, that puzzle's name. So first let's solve puzzle maze 3. So this is maze 3, so maze 3.txt. Now just hit enter and it will start doing its job. Now it will give you such error if you haven't installed the requirements, which is this library. So install that. So if it is giving you those errors, then you should basically run it in an online IDE. So let's go ahead and use one. So you can just go to this IDE and use it. It's really amazing IDE. Just to sign in with your GitHub, and then you can use it simply. Okay, now so here you can see that I have installed these files here in this IDE, and now I'm going to show you how to use it. So just go to your terminal and let's open terminal in a new window. Basically that would be better. Okay, so now we are in terminal. So now let's get inside the folder. It's inside the Python folder. So cd python, and now we are inside the Python folder. Okay, so now we have to run this as we did. So Python maze.py maze 3.txt and hit enter. So as you can see, it solved it really soon. So this is the solution. This is the solution in depth for search. Right, let me confirm. Yes, so it's depth for search. So, and you can see also see this maze.png. It is also save that in a PNG image. So it luckily chose the right way and went right here. But if it was wrong, then it have choose this way. Let's run this on breadth also. Now save that and let's remove this. Yes, and then again we will close it up and let's run this again in breadth for search, of course. So let's run it. Okay, so it have also run. Then let's see the image now. So basically it did same. It went one way, this, and this way too. And it found this way closer. Okay, so that was a kind of basic. Now let's run maze 2. If you don't know what's in maze 2, let me show you. So this is the maze 2, little complex than maze 3. So I'm gonna run it. Okay, so let's run maze2.txt. Enter. So as you can see, it found the solution, but it have 77 states explored. It is breadth for search right now. Breadth for search. So 77 explored states, and this is the answer which is correct. And let's check the image. Reload it. So okay, so basically what it did is, whenever it found a condition, it went in both directions and until it found the point B. So that's how breadth for search worked. It had 77 explored states, which means 77 explored boxes, until it found the point B, which was our destination to reach. Now let's run the same on depth for search. Okay, so it was breadth for search, now depth for search. Now the same thing, let's go. So now it have also solved and found the correct answer, but the state explored are 194, which are very much than the breadth for search. You can see breadth for search has 77 and it had 194. Solution are same, but the states explored are different. As you can see in maze.png, it unluckily chose the wrong path in the beginning and then went here, then until it found a dead end here. It discovered all that and then again came back here after exploring all this, and after that when it came here, it again chose this way and then finally it chose a correct way and it reached the point B. So that's how AI works in maze solving. So hit like if you like a video and subscribe and share for more content, more such videos, and comment. And that's the code, and you can find the GitHub link in